met, I never felt something so strong. You were like my lover and my best friend, all wrapped in a wall with a ribbon on, and all of a sudden you went left. I didn't know how to follow. It's like the sadness spun me around, and now my heart's dead. I feel so empty and hollow, and I'll never give myself to another the way I give it to you. You don't even recognize the way you hurt me, do you? It's gonna take a miracle to bring me back. You're the one to blame, and now I feel like, oh, you're the reason why I'm thinking I don't wanna smoke all the cigarettes no more. I guess that's what I get for wishful thinking. Should've never let you wait at my door. Next time you wanna go on and leave, I should just let you go on and do it, do it. Cause now I'm using like I believe, cause I don't wanna lose you now. I'm looking right at the other half of me. The vacancy that's set in my heart is a space, and now you hold. Show me how to fight from now, and I'll tell you, baby, that it was easy coming back into you once I figured it out. You were right here alone. It's like you're my mirror staring back at me. I couldn't get any bigger with anyone else beside of me, and now as curious as promise that we'll make it. Two reflections into one, cause it's like you're my mirror